Hey, I'm Farm Dad, and today I'm going to show you how to change the oil pan gasket on a 1526 and 1626 Mahindra tractor. On the side of your tractor with the loader controls is a 17mm drain plug. Go ahead, take that loose, and drain the oil.
We need to remove the front drive shaft to get the oil pan out. I didn't realize this, so that's why you may notice that my oil pan is already loose. But trust me, it makes more sense to remove the drive shaft first. There is a retaining clip that can be pushed aside using screwdrivers.
A little pin right there that we just need to let drop out. Once those pins are removed, this should just slide right out. If for some reason you're having a hard time sliding it out, try taking your tractor out of four-wheel drive, because I have seen that cause these to get stuck in. And I can just move it out of the way.
Oil pan bolts are 12mm. Remove all of them.
Just gonna take a rubber mallet and lightly bang this loose now. Now we clean it up and get all this old gasket material off of here with a scraper. I've got this thing cleaned up pretty good. Now these Mahindra tractors do not use a traditional oil pan gasket like a rubber seal that you would replace. Instead, you're just going to use some RTV gasket maker on here. If you're headed to a auto parts store, you're going to want to buy something like this ultra black, and it'll work. It's not a bad solution. But if you have more time, I want to tell you one of my little secrets. This is what I'm going to be using today, and it is Toyota FIPG, and I call it the Magic Gasket Maker. And I'm going to post a link to this in the comments, but if you are a Toyota technician, you know what I'm talking about. This, in my opinion, is the world's best gasket maker. You use this on here, it's not gonna leak. Just gonna get a real nice bead all the way around this. All done. Now let's put this thing back on the tractor. Forgot to turn the camera on, but I just fed that back through there the same way that it came down, and now I'm tightening all the bolts up. Now we just put this all back together the same way that it came apart.
I hope this video helped you. If it did, would you mind helping me by clicking the subscribe button? We are a family of 6 living our best life on 90 acres in the Ouachita Mountains of Arkansas. And every time someone hits that subscribe button, it helps grow our channel. We appreciate you.